Electronics are everywhere in our daily lives, at home, at work. But behind every device, there is a complex system of materials, production, and waste.
As we increase our use of electronics, it becomes more difficult to understand what they're made of, how long they will last, and what we should do with them when we have finished using them.
A digital product passport, or DPP, is a digital record that contains important information about a product and travels with it throughout its life. It can tell us what materials it contains, how it can be repaired or maintained, and how it should be handled at the end of its life.
The Digital Product Passport is driven by the European Union as part of its efforts to make the economy more climate neutral, resource efficient and circular, while also supporting more transparent and responsible supply chains.
Today, a lot of information about electronics is missing or difficult to access. Consumers don't always know how to take care of their products. Repairers often can't find the right instructions. And recyclers may not know what materials are inside a device.
The DPP helps solve these problems by giving everyone access to clear and reliable information.
The DPP is designed for everyone involved in the product's journey. It gives access to clear and reliable information in one place.
It enables consumers to understand their products better. Manufacturers can share essential information. Repairers and refurbishers can use it to keep devices working longer. Recyclers can use it to recover materials, including critical raw materials.
With better access to information, it becomes easier to repair, reuse and recycle products. The DPP helps to keep products in use for longer and supports high-quality recycling when they reach the end of life. This helps to reduce waste and saves valuable resources.
As more products have a DPP, industries have better information, consumers have more transparency, and the whole system is more efficient and sustainable.
The Digital Product Passport brings people, data and products together. By making information clear and accessible, it helps support a more circular, resource-efficient and sustainable electronics sector.
The C-RISE project supports the development of digital product passports for electronics, helping stakeholders access the information needed to make better circular decisions across the electronics value chain.
C-RISE, empowering circularity in the electronics sector.